SEO and keywords are closely related. Keywords are used to search for content, and to do search engine optimization, you need to know the right keywords. When looking for information about keywords in relation to SEO, you must have seen a lot of information about keyword research. Keyword research is very important, but it is more important to know what are keywords, and that is what I'm going to discuss in today's video. Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And now let's begin with today's topic. If I have to say in clear words, keyword is the word that describes the content on a page in the best way. Basically, keywords are ideas and topics that define what the content is about. If we talk about SEO, keywords are words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines, also called as search queries. As the website owner, you should ensure that your page has the keywords relevant to what people are searching about, so that they have a better chance of finding your page on the search results. For example, you run a pizza shop where you sell all varieties of pizza, and that too delicious ones. Now let's say you have a special variety of pizza by the name Cheesiest Pizza, and you have even created a product page about it. Now there will be a search term on which you want to be found on. What kind of words do you think people will use to find you on the internet? What would be the search query look like? What will be the keywords for your product page? Probably Cheesiest Pizza, as that best describes what's there on the page. Now, if you want to explain your product, how will you do that? Definitely, you will need to use some words, and those words are the keywords and key phrases. The keyword is not necessarily a single word, it can be multiple words as well. Now, you must be wondering, why are keywords important? Keywords work as a bridge between what people are searching for and the content or product that you provide to fulfill that need. With SEO, you want people to land on your website when using a certain search term or keyword. Now, for this, you need to understand the way a searcher thinks when they are making a search and the words that they use for their search. Using the wrong keywords will never get you the target audience on your website or page. But with the use of right keywords that people are actually searching for, you can make your business thrive. With the use of wrong keywords, you may end up with the wrong audience or maybe none at all. That was about why keywords are important. The next important thing to know is what are the different types of keywords. Mainly, there are 4 types of keywords. Generic keywords are those that describe your product or services extensively. They have a broader reach and help target people looking for something without having a specific brand or place in mind. As they have higher monthly search volume, generic keywords are difficult to rank. For example, tea is a generic keyword. Primary keywords are used to target specific search queries to help web pages to rank higher in the search results. They can help you increase your search traffic and can also help you to rank for that content and keyword. Now, for example, if tea was a generic keyword, the primary keyword can be herbal tea. Long tail keywords are typically longer and more precise search queries. These type of keywords in SEO receive few monthly searches. Since these are precise keywords or users phrase their queries differently, they are searched a few times per month. Although their search traffic is very less, they have a very higher conversion value as they are more specific. Using long tail keywords can help you get discovered by new audience effortlessly. Now, for example, if the primary keyword was herbal tea, the long tail keywords can be herbal tea for sleep, herbal tea for weight loss, and so on. LSI keywords, also known as related keywords, are words or phrases that share the same context or are semantically associated. These type of keywords provide the context for a primary keyword in a particular content. Each web page must have a primary keyword and at least 3 to 4 related keywords to rank better in search results. Now, for example, if herbal tea was a primary keyword, LSI keywords can be best herbal tea reviews, and so on. So these were the main types of keywords that you need to be aware of. Apart from that, there are multiple categories in which you can classify keywords. So if you want more information about different type of keywords, I can make a separate detailed video on that. So do let me know in the comment section down below. With that, I'm going to wrap up this video now, and stay tuned for my next video that is going to be about keyword research, and you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.